Are you dreaming of living in Europe but unsure of where to go? Have you ever thought of living in Luxembourg, the richest country in the world? Today I will show you why Luxembourg is an excellent choice and how you can get a work visa without much hassle. Plus, I will show you job sites and recruitment agency that can help you get started. Luxembourg offers high salaries. There's no age limit if you are planning to go to Luxembourg for their work visas. And you don't even need any language tests. That would be cool because you won't take tests like IELTS, TOEFL, CEPIP, and any of them. Getting your visa is quick. Sometimes if it is in the job shortage category, it is just 7 days. Even better, your family can come along with you. Whether you're a nurse or a corporate employee, it's a solid choice for you if you are seeking a fresh start abroad. Are you wondering how you can get started? Let me walk you through the steps to get your work visa. First, you will need to find a job. Luckily, in Luxembourg, there are great job websites. I am going to leave links to different job websites that we are going to call now in the description below. You have jobs.lu, Indeed Luxembourg, Google Job. And another important, very key place to start is using LinkedIn. You can connect with will-be employers using your LinkedIn profile, connecting with them, and then developing your rapport to asking them if they have job. Because guess what? More than 30% of all jobs that are open are not advertised. So it is only you networking that you can get access to those closed jobs. And that is why LinkedIn is king. Use it. If you've not got a LinkedIn profile, create one so that you can access this and use it to the best of your ability. Once you've secured a job, your employer will help you with the visa process, so you don't need to fret. They will apply for work authorization for you. You only need to provide them the following documents. One, your CV, which should be in the Luxembourg format, and a cover letter, copies of your degrees or certifications, job offers that eventually will be given to you, will be signed both by you and the employer. Then you will need to give them the power to act on your behalf, because as at that time you will not be there. So the employer acts on your behalf. So you need to give them what we call a power of attorney. After the approval, you will receive a job authorization to stay document. Then you can apply for your work visa at a nearby VSF center in your own country. You submit your document and wait for 7 to 15 days to get your visa. 7 days if you've applied in skills shortage job. If you are not using the job website that I've provided, you can use recruitment agencies. Recruitment agencies are going to look for job on your behalf. I'm going to leave a list of trusted agencies in Luxembourg that can help you land a job. Adecol, Luxembourg. Manpower, Luxembourg. Randstad, Luxembourg. And ASIS, Luxembourg. These agencies are safe to use. They won't charge you until after they've gotten you a job offer. Take note of it. Agencies will charge you at the end. But if you go on your own using the job website that I've provided, you get access to those jobs. You apply directly to the employer. There will be no charge at all. Now, what is the visa duration like for a work visa? Your work visa will be valid for 1 year or as long as your job contract. In most cases, the employer covers the visa costs and the maximum processing time is around 15 days. If your job is in a sector that is facing shortage in skills, your visa will be processed in just 7 days. Now let me show you some of those websites that we have been talking about so that you don't fret when you start it. You will be conversant with the layout of this website. I will share my screen to show you them, but we are not going to fill anything. That will be your job to do to get a job. The first website we'll talk about will be Indeed. Indeed is common and it is known. So indeed.lu. So looking at this, you see it is LU stands for Luxembourg.indeed.com. All you need to do is to come in here, and probably you will need to register so that jobs are customized to you, the searches that you are going to perform. So sign in. If you've not signed in before, it will ask you to register. You register and then click job. Let's say, for example, and it gives me teachers, different jobs for teacher. So if you want to apply, you click on apply, and that is fine. The next one we'll talk about is enjob.lu. Take note, when you get into the site, always change it to English if you are speaking English and understand English, because the other one is French. But if you speak French, allow it. Install, we click on French. So the whole site is changed to English. So we can navigate, go through the jobs, and you can apply to any employer. You can use job categories depending on your sector. So if you are looking for healthcare, click on it. In Luxembourg, then you can click search, and you will have a list of jobs in the healthcare sector. Next website will be, this now we are talking about agencies now. So we'll talk about Adecco. We've known some of us might have applied for using Adecco in your own country. So you have find a job, view all jobs, upload your CV, and there is job tips. So looking at this, you can come in here and click find a job, and good. So you have different jobs in here. The next agency we'll look at is Randstad. So again, we click at English, click on English, so that the whole site is now in English. And then you can use this button to find a job, or you type a keyword on this section. Currently, there are about 124 jobs, so just go through and apply to any of them. The next one is Manpower, manpower.lu. So this is another agency that you can use. And you click on jobs, you can search jobs here, all types. You can check for your categories, and you can click on search, and the results will be provided. Look at the different jobs. We are not going to fill any of these jobs. I will leave the link to this website in the description, so that it will be you who goes into this website to look for a specific role for yourself. Luxembourg is a great option if you are looking to work and live in Europe. High wages, fast visa processing, and family-friendly policies makes it an ideal destination. Make sure you connect with people who are already working in Luxembourg or Europe, and use job websites or recruitment agencies to boost your chances. So, are you ready to start your journey to Luxembourg? If this guide was helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more immigration tips, and good luck with your visa processing. I will see you in the next video.